तो हम ट्रोल नहीं हुए अब तक.
शायद my first.
बट आई स्वेयर, आई सच में एक महीने से हम लोग यही डिस्कस करते रहते थे बिकॉज वी ऑल लव दिस सॉन्ग.
Yeah.
ओके, लाइक वी आर ऑल फैंस ऑफ दिस सॉन्ग, वी
Yeah.
डांस टू दिस सॉन्ग, एवरीबडी वांटेड टू डू दिस सॉन्ग. एंड हम हमेशा डिस्कस करते थे यार ये करते हैं गाना यार, बोले तो पागल हो गए क्या, ट्रोल हो जाएंगे. बट एंड में फिर हमने कहा अभी वी वांट टू डू इट, सो वी
But
जस्ट हैड फन.
I like the fact that you've actually underlined the fact that troll हो जाएंगे, जबकि आप शाहिद कपूर हैं, आप भूल जाते हैं कभी-कभी मुझे
यार
लगता
हम खुद ही बोल रहे हैं तो अभी तुम क्या बोलोगे? It's
है.
almost
हाँ,
that.
ये सच है, ये सच है. My question to Rashmika, not in Hindi, is dedicate करना होता. Oh, sorry. If you had to dedicate Bandhu 2.0 to anybody in the world, and I think I know the answer, but anybody in the world, who would you dedicate it to?
I think I'll dedicate it to
So sweet. So sweet. Kriti's like, chal, hut.
I have to give you one more very
Yeah.
interesting trivia.
Yeah.
तो जब हम लोग ये रोमांटिक शॉट्स कर रहे थे ना, राउंड ट्रॉली, सो इट वाज इम्प्रोवाइजेशन. So Kriti gave like a banging shot, okay? She like killed it with the chemistry and all. Yeah? Then Rashmika came and now after one take, she stop 1 second. So am I supposed to look at him like a friend because this is a friendly song? I said, चल भाई बहन ही बन जाते हैं. So it was very cute. It was very cute actually. And as you can see, she killed it
So
after
did you
that.
finally look at him like a friend,
yeah.
like a brother, like a lover? What?
On
I
19th
saw him
June.
like Kunzi.
On 19th June. No, but actually, that is everybody's memory of this song. You know, I think everybody remembers this song with their friends, having fun, having a blast, and I think that's the vibe of Cocktail. So we just had to do it because we wanted to just have fun and do it, you know.
And at the end of it, we really had a blast. So yeah, we really did. And we shot it day before yesterday, guys. So it was quite
Actually, we wrapped up
interesting.
yesterday because
we
we
wrapped
went
up
on till
yesterday.
early morning. Yeah.
And managed to come here and managed to do this song and DJ वाले बाबू को 4 गाली देके, but and still managed to do a fabulous job. Guys, it's Bandhu 3.1230. Just my little, but it is Bandhu 2.0. It's out on YouTube. The song will be seen again in the film as well. And I actually, Shahid's already answered this question, but I'd still ask. When you watched this song as a viewer in 2012, what was your first feeling? Kriti, this one's for you as well. What was your first feeling? And now to perform on it, what were the feels?
Actually, I had forgotten the film because like it's so long back, but I recently saw it on YouTube.
Yeah.
And I, not just the song, but I just feel like this was such a refreshing, fresh, happy movie.
Yeah.
But it was not like a stupidly happy movie. It was well made, intelligent. The characters had depth, even though that they were entertaining. And I feel that even when I see it today, it feels like such a fresh experience. And the song was no different. You know, it was a song that just made you feel happy. And those are my memories with it. You know, it was just that. Just happy times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely correct answer. 10 on 10. Shahid didn't know I was actually giving him marks also. Kriti ji, bataiye, what were your feelings when you watched it as a viewer? You saw Diana, you saw Saif, you saw Deepika, and you're like, ये दोस्ती तो ऐसी होनी चाहिए.
I think it's the most iconic friendship song, you know, of our generation. And I feel like the chemistry that the three of them had, the song, the energy of it, even Tumi O Bandhu, I think what it's trying to say, you would dedicate it to, you know, all friends of yours and your gang and your troop, you know, and I think that's the energy that it's always had for me. And I feel when Bandhu 2.0 came, we were like, I love the I love that. You know, it just kind of gets nostalgia back, but it kind of recreates it also in a beautiful way. So yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. I know what Rashmika has stored Shahid and Kriti's names in her phone as Bandhu and Sakha. Thanks, guys. On that note, can we please clap again with Shahid, Kriti, and Rashmika? And can we please get on to the next song, which is absolutely exclusive. आपके कानों ने, आपके नाक ने, आपकी आंखों ने, बाहों ने, किसी ने ये वाला गाना अब तक देखा नहीं. It's called Jug Se Large. I would ask the three of you to please Nak. You were asking him what Nak is?
Guys, don't record this song. Now we want people to watch it in the theater. This is only for you guys, exclusively for
अब
your
तूने
eyes,
बोल
not
दिया
your
don't
phones.
record now. What do you think they're going to do?
When you say,
Seriously.
when
That's
you say
sweet
don't
people.
troll,
Are you? Don't, guys, prove it wrong.
Such a naive person you are, Raja.
वो फोन ऐसे ही कृति को देखते देखते तो मेरा मुंह ऐसे ही था. वाओ यार क्या मस्त है ये. Guys, एक तो सवाल फटाफट से ये पूछना है, जग से लाज is a fabulous song. You guys are looking smashing like every other song, but पसीना कैसे नहीं आता यार तुम लोगों को? मतलब हम डांस कर ले 4 मिनट, आप तो मतलब बिल्कुल अमेजिंग, मतलब how? Don't answer.
I don't want to answer.
No, like they say, girls never sweat, they only glow.
क्या बात है?
और
क्या बात है?
लड़कों के बाल कभी खराब नहीं होते हैं.
या चलो दोनों ने एक दूसरे के बारे में बता दिया. My question, जग से लाज का एक memory, I can only see joy. Also because you guys are great actors, but I see joy. Sensational joy.
हम
No?
सच में भी खुश हो सकते हैं यार.
That's true, that's true.
हम सच में खुश थे. We were having a good time.
Shahid, what's your favorite fondest memory of Jag Se Laaj?
Uh,
डाल दिया ना spot पे.
I think there was one long shot where all three of us are involved. That was a fun shot
Yeah.
because long shots are just fun to do and they take a lot of time and then you feel very satisfied when you get them. And I think that's the day we thought that it's the last day on the film. So I remember all of us jamming and spending time together, especially on that DJ booth. And then we were all like, okay, everybody's last shot. Kriti, Shahid, Rashmika, last shot, last shot, last shot. Cake cutting happened on that day.
We
So,
thought
yeah.
it was the last shot.
We thought.
Like, last day of shoot.
Because you were shooting until last
That was
night.
a good like 6 months back. And then day before was another story.
And sometime before that was another story as well.
What else did we shoot? Oh yeah. और मत बताओ. कुछ और
All good things take time. ये और समझने के लिए परसों जाना है पिक्चर देखने. परसों.
Guys,
कृति.
ये इतनी बार बोल चुकी है ना परसों कि मुझे एंजाइटी हो रही है यहाँ पे खड़े खड़े. परसों
मतलब एक्साइटमेंट के साथ में एंजाइटी भी अच्छी बात है. गुड एंजाइटी
लेकिन
इज अ गुड थिंग.
बैंगलोर का जो टाइम डिफरेंस नहीं है कुछ मतलब परसों ही है.
रियलाइजेशन
तो
नहीं
कल
था.
बैंगलोर गए तो कुछ शिफ्ट हो
हम
गया
अपनी
था.
दुनिया में
distracted
थे
ना.
मैं सिर्फ सटली कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि मुझे कोई नहीं लेके गया था.
It was a girls' day out.
No, I'm not.
But we did
When
miss
you say
you,
girls' day
Shahid.
out and call me, I'm not going to come, na.
We did miss you, Shahid.
Thanks.
That's what you want to hear.
Thanks.
No, we missed you.
You know,
ठीक है.
Shahid, we still have to say we did video call you.
Yes, we did.
Can
And
we
I'm
just
sorry,
get to
what
that
were you
point?
doing?
Sorry,
What were you
ladies.
doing?
You have to take a prior appointment. I was in a massage.
The massage scenes are not there in Cocktail 2 guys. है,
थिएटर में जाओ.
है.
वो भी है. I swear. फ्राइडे को चेक करना. वो भी है.
परसों देखिए.
ठीक है. आपसे एक आखिरी सवाल before we really leave it to the audience, but like ask you a few final questions as well. पे कुछ confusion है, कोई बात नहीं. Coming back to you guys, हर फ्रेंडशिप में एक spontaneous इंसान होता है, कहता है कि आज हमें ये करना है, आज हम गोवा जा रहे हैं, आज तुम बैग पैक करो, आज ये हो गया है. आप तीनों में से वो इंसान कौन है?
वो यहाँ नहीं है जो इंसान रोज आज डिसाइड करते
Only
हैं.
other
उनका नाम है डीनो विजन. और
अच्छा,
यहाँ
वो
पे
भी.
जितने भी लोग हैं वो कह सकते हैं वो हर चीज आज ही डिसाइड करते हैं. वो नहीं है अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारे साथ आज.
नहीं, मतलब
क्योंकि वो आज भी कुछ कर रहे हैं
अच्छा.
फिल्म के साथ.
Because busy, because good things take.
Time.
Yeah. And when is this film releasing? Which is also called Friday. All right, coming back to Cocktail Shahid, my question to you is,
तू क्या कौन सी कॉकटेल पी कर आई है मुझे बता जरा यार. एंड डेफिनेटली इट वाज
हमें
2
भी चाहिए.
कॉकटेल्स. 2.
it's called Jaljeera. Thank you. Okay, my question is, इतने सारे साल, when you look at yourself on the screen, I see a very amazing boy who I'm extremely proud of, who entertains me to the T. What do you see? Do you see awe, pride, or do you see criticism? What do you see?
मी?
Yeah. ये किससे बात कर रही है? पागल है क्या?
What do
पागल है, troll हो जाएगी.
what do I see when I see myself?
Yes.
I mean, I hope I see the character.
Yeah.
And that's all I'm interested in the character being seen by the audience. I don't care about me.
Yeah.
Shahid doesn't matter to me. I'm bored with Shahid. I love characters. So Kunal for me is the character and I want to always see Kunal and not Shahid when I'm on screen. I like that.
Nice. We also like you. 19 जून को जैसे ही फिल्म रिलीज हो गई, हमारे पास में आ गई. Now it belongs to the world. What's the first thing that Shahid Kapoor is going to do?
I have not seen the film yet. So I'm hopefully maybe on 19th or maybe tomorrow,
Yeah.
or maybe tonight.
Yeah.
You know, if her husband calls us in time and says, you know, guys, the sound mix is ready, let's watch it.
Yeah.
So the first thing I want to do is actually see the film.
Yeah.
And hopefully, and with all three of us, like I want all of us, with the people that we love to watch it together because we've had such an amazing time doing it.
Yeah.
Really, this is a very special, memorable journey on a film that's meant to be about friends and love and good memories and happy times. And genuinely, this film was made with that love. And all that credit must go to Homie, who kept that atmosphere on set, and Dinu and Love and the entire team that worked so hard to, keep the energy, which is always most important.
This line has been done to death, लेकिन शाहिद एक ही दिल है, कितनी बार जीतेंगे? Moving on. Thanks. Rashmika was the only one. ये जो भी कहेगी मैं थोड़ी तालियां बजा लूंगी, थोड़ा स्माइल कर लूंगी. Thanks यार रश्मिका, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. ऐसा लगता है छोटी बहन है, आसपास है, खेल खिला रही है, अच्छा काम कर रही है. कृति आपके लिए सवाल है, आपके फैंस, आपकी ऑडियंस, यू आर रेजिंग द बार फॉर अस एंड फॉर योरसेल्फ. मतलब हम बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं आपको देखने के लिए. आर यू मोर एक्साइटेड देन अस?
As he said, we've not seen the film.
Yeah, so you don't know what
So
to expect.
I'm excited to watch the film. Obviously, not see myself, but I feel like he said, we've had such a good time, and I feel like it's such a fun movie, and it's the main crux of this film is chemistry, and all three of us have had like incredible energy with each other, and I'm really gonna miss you guys, man. I was just kind of watching this song, and I was remembering how we've really had a blast, and I think a little bit of nostalgia, a little bit of emo was happening. So I'm excited to see the film together. I want to watch it for the first time with the two of them, and just really enjoy it. And as far as Ali is concerned, I think the way I'm looking is all Anaita. Why are you saying no? It is you.
We're
You
going to
know,
clap for
actually-
Anaita and put her in a spot as well, guys. Sorry, my
I
hands are
feel
busy.
like Anaita's really made Ali look very hot, and I think Homie has made her look cool.
Yeah.
And she's that combination. So I feel like the magic that she does.
But तूने
and-
अपने आप को hot and cool बोल दिया.
मैंने Ali को बोला है.
वो तू ही
Just,
है.
just see, मैंने
वो
बहुत
तू ही है.
smartly Ali
वो
को
तू ही
बोला
है.
है.
वो कृति है.
But that's Ali's personality. Yeah, you can't deny it. Yeah.
It's exactly what Shahid mentioned. वो सिर्फ कैरेक्टर को देखना चाहते हैं. कृति भी केवल Ali को ही देखना चाहती है.
I'm only talking about Ali. You thought I'm talking about me? No.
You don't think you're hot and cute at the same time?
I think I can be very jalla, in fact.
No, no. What do you guys think? Hot and cute, man. Come on, that's Kriti.
Super hot. No one saying झल्ला कृति. Sorry to say आपके ये झल्ला वाला आंसर आउट हो
Ask
गया
my
है.
mother.
ठीक है. देखिए रश्मिका जी, what is that one thing that the audience should be taking away from Diya, from Cocktail 2? What are you expecting the audience to really feel? I know every question has been answered, but what do you think?
I feel Dia is something, a persona that I've never played on screen before. I'm very excited for you guys to watch it. And also, considering my filmography till date, it's all been extremely intense and extremely intense. Let me just keep it to that. So, Dia for the first time is very different. So, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 19th of June, you guys watch it and tell me how I've played Dia as a character. But otherwise, what I'd like to say is something to take away from this film is friends, friendship, and love is for life.
मैंने कह रही थी ये छोटी बहन है, खिलखिलाती है, रुलाती है, सब करती है. ठीक है गाइस, अब फाइनल 30 seconds, कृति और शाहिद और रश्मिका and the entire team of Cocktail 2 and Maddock for bringing us all these together, and for Homie to make sure that this film is going to be such an entertainer, because we're really dying for entertainment as well. Can we please clap for this beautiful trio? For Preetham Da to fill like DNA and all like entertainment and all his songs and make sure everything is chart buster. It's a chart buster. मेरे आंखों के सामने चार्ट होती है और चार्ट बस्टर में चार्ट बस्टर उठा रही हूँ आजकल. That's what Cocktail 2 does for me. 19th of June, एडवांस बुकिंग खुली है. गाइस तालियां बजा लीजिए, खाना खा लीजिए, मजे करा लीजिए. Thank you to each and every speck of DNA in this room. You made this happen. One second. We know we want pictures. Hang on. Sit down. Don't move. Shahid, Kriti and Rashmika, one second, before you go. हाँ पता है एक और चाहिए ना पिक्चर आपको सोलो चाहिए one second I want a picture with you but before you go ना entertain करो फिर अरे यार रश्मिका right सीटिंग कर लेंगे थोड़ा थोड़ा नीचे बैठ जाते हैं I give you one clear instruction guys नीचे नीचे थोड़ा नीचे बैठ जाइए obviously I gave you one instruction and we are not going to follow that that's absolutely okay we're looking at the most delicious people in the country right now can we please make some noise for Shahid Kapoor for Rashmika and for Kriti Sanin and can we also promise them we're going to watch Cocktail 2 day after tomorrow clap for yourselves very good Shahid you're looking just like the curious case of Benjamin Button बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है आपको देख के super amazing guys just sit down sorry I wanted to ask a question to Shahid but we don't want नहीं चाहिए settle
बट वो आपके लिए है भी नहीं वो चेयर
वो चेयर नहीं है आपके
वो
लिए
हमारे लिए था अब हम हम फिर जमीन पे आ जाएंगे कोई बात नहीं हाँ जी सर
जी मैं पूछ रही थी आपसे कि ये रिवर्स एजिंग और ये बहुत ब्यूटीफुल जो आप लग रहे हैं मैं नहीं पूछूंगी आपसे कि आपका फॉर्मूला क्या है और आप क्या खा रहे हैं और क्या पी रहे हैं बट एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट टू टेल पीपल बिकॉज वी आर रियली फॉलोइंग इन लव विद यू लाइक अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से
Firstly, that Benjamin Button thing reminded me of the fact that we actually had a broken button
You
just
did.
before we walked on stage, so we got a bit late because of that. Good afternoon, everybody. How are you doing today? Thank you so much for being here. It's amazing to have all of you here. Good afternoon. We're very excited. अंदर से हम सब बहुत stressed हैं, ऊपर से हम बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं. What to do? This is who we are. No, but thank you for all the compliments, and I would give most of the credit to Anaita, who's sitting right here, who has styled me and made me change my pants 5 minutes before we were moving out, saying, "You're looking too hero today, Shahid. Just look like the character Kunzi." So this is Kunzi, which she has created and written by Love Ranjan and visualized by Homi Arajania. So मैं जो भी लग रहा हूँ, it's because of these people. इसमें मेरा कोई contribution नहीं है.
What a nice humble boy. So sweet.
And what about this chocolate boy face of yours?
वो तुझे देख के आ जाता है automatically.
Ali के लिए तो बस एक ही सवाल आता है Ali when you got this role first question to you was what song came to your mind was it Ya Ali Madat Ali or what was it what was the first reaction Cocktail 2 coming to you and
None of these songs because
No.
ओमी के दिमाग में सिर्फ अंग्रेजी गाने चलते हैं.
Yeah.
So ये इनमें से कोई नहीं था.
Yeah.
But I was obviously very very excited.
Yeah.
Firstly, I think even Cocktail, the first one was way ahead of its time in the way the characters spoke and you know the visuals and all of that. It still looks fresh.
Yeah.
And when I heard the story of Cocktail 2, I just found it so different and so relevant and so fun. And all these three characters were so well written and well, you know, they had their own graph and they were just fresh. And I think I was missing a film like this, you know.
Yeah.
I think I've seen so much of like intensity and action and all of that that I wanted to see a fresh, you know, a fresh young film with like just messy characters like we all are in life.
Yeah.
And I felt Ali was just so away from me as a person. and so refreshing and so unhinged and liberated that I was just very drawn to her.
Yeah.
And I'm just so glad that I could play her.
सारे सवालों का जवाब दे दिया, अब क्या ही सवाल पूछूं मैं? कृति के लिए
मैं
तालियां
करती हूँ
बजाओगे?
ऐसा, मैं भूल जाती हूँ सवाल क्या था, तो मेरे जो मन में आ रहे हैं मैं सब बोल देती हूँ.
The character, the portrayal, the liberation. But I love it.
मैं
I
बोलने
love
वाला
it.
था, मैं बोलने वाला था, इसके लिए थोड़ा मास ऑडियंस के लिए सबटाइटल्स डाल दीजिएगा प्लीज. हाँ,
रश्मिका,
हिंदी में सवाल पूछो, हमें
हिंदी में
हिंदी में बात
सवाल
करने की
नहीं,
फीलिंग आ रही है.
Let's not go there right now.
हिंदी में बात करेंगे आज, हिंदी में.
हम रश्मिका से हिंदी में बात करेंगे. रश्मिका,
परफेक्ट टाइमिंग.
पर
I love
रश्मिका,
it. नहीं चाहिए.
चाहिए ही नहीं. मुझे नहीं लगता आपकी हिंदी इतनी बुरी है जितना आपको लगता है. आई थिंक आपकी हिंदी बहुत ही माशाल्लाह है.
Oh, thank you.
माशाल्लाह वैसे हिंदी नहीं,
हमने
उर्दू है.
कुछ ही
but
दिन
ठीक है.
पहले गाना एक शूट किया और लिरिक्स आए हमारे पास लिटरली ऐसे, ये व्हाट वर यू ईटिंग, दाल एंड व्हाट वाज दैट, राजमा दाल रोटी एंड समथिंग यू वर ईटिंग. ऐसे खाते खाते इसने 2 मिनट में ऐसे देखा एंड वी वर शूटिंग इन 48 फ्रेम्स व्हिच मींस दैट आपको डबल स्पीड पे गाना पड़ता है.
जी.
और इसने जाके शॉट दिया और इसने सब परफेक्टली किया. तो आई डोंट बिलीव यू एट ऑल एनीमोर रश्मिका. मुझे लगता है तेरी सच्चाई ये है कि तू कूर्ग में पैदा होने के 13-14 साल बाद गई थी. तू है दिल्ली की लड़की, तुझे पूरी अच्छी हिंदी आती है.
In fact,
है ना?
मुझे तो लगता है
तुझे सब आता है.
वो
कितना
गाना
फास्ट
actually
सीख लिया
इसका
है.
by heart है.
इसको पूरा गाना बाय हार्ट है यार.
पर वो वाला गाना सबको by heart है.
हाँ, हाँ.
वो वाला गाना, वो
जिन
वो
गानों
वो वाला गाना.
जिन गानों की ये तीनों बात कर रहे हैं, सबसे पहले तो ये भी बता दे, रश्मिका को देख के ऐसा भी लगता है कि रामायण वाली हिंदी बोलती होंगी, वो वार्तालाप करती होंगी. बट we'll get to that later. We'll get to it, but one day at a time.
तू क्रॉस मार्केटिंग करने आई है क्या? मैं पकड़
नहीं.
लिया तुझे.
What?
हाँ,
मैंने सोचा भी नहीं. ये शाहिद कपूर ही है ऐसे. प्लीज डोंट पुट वर्ड्स इन माय, प्लीज शब्द मेरे मुंह में मत डालिए आप, क्योंकि हम केवल हिंदी में बात करने वाले हैं. दैट साउंड्स रॉन्ग, बट मूविंग ऑन. यहाँ पे हम 2 बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक ब्यूटीफुल गानों के लिए आए हैं गाइस. एक तो ऐसा गाना है जो जीवन भर से ऐसा लगता है हमारे साथ में रहा है. सिंस 2012 इट हैज बीन एन एंथम फॉर योर रोड ट्रिप्स, फॉर योर फेयरवेल्स, फॉर योर फ्रेंडशिप. मतलब it's an amazing song and I'm glad you guys are coming back with it. It's called Bandhu 2.0. क्या हम उस गाने को जरा सुन सकते हैं और उससे पहले थोड़ी आवाज कर सकते हैं यार, तालियों के साथ, जैसे शाहिद कहेंगे. इस मोमेंट्स में तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट होनी चाहिए बंधु 2.0 के लिए. गड़गड़ाहट, थंडरस्टॉर्म. रश्मिका, you know it already.
I think घंटियां बजनी चाहिए यहाँ पर.
घंटियां. आली बात कर रही है, कृति बात कर रही है. गाइस, बंधु 2.0 अब चलने वाले. जरा आप एक साइड पे आ जाएं, यहाँ बैठ
या
जाएं.
प्लीज लेडीज, द चेयर्स दैट
वो
हैव
जो
बीन
chairs
मूव्ड टू द
हटा दी
साइड.
गई हैं वहाँ हम बैठ सकते हैं.
आप चेयर्स नहीं कह सकते, शायद कुर्सियां कहनी पड़ेंगी आपको.
कुर्सी
जी.
जिस पे हम अपने इसको बिठाने वाले हैं.